It's called Fish World. We're gonna probably fast forward most of this stuff because we don't want you guys getting bored from watching us just do this. So let's fast forward this. Wow, okay, I just saw my boat. Oh, I'm on you. Yeah, me and you. I'm on you. We're not on the boat. Oh, you do that, you're cool. So, no, let's go, so no. I can see those people. Those are very okay, up here, and I see those, it's not check. You're not with you. No, what is that? No. No, let me see if it works finally. Nope, not working still. I didn't have any how these work. I have a lucky rod. I don't know. Somewhere. Finally. Please, fish work. I got a blue fish. I got a blue fish. I don't know how to say it. A blob fish. A blue fish. Yeah. And then I have a pine fish now too. And it looks cheeky. It's like giving you a weird smile. Yeah, I don't like that one. I wonder if that's even a thing, pine fish. Guys, comment down below if that's a real thing, if pine fish is a real thing. If this is a real thing, show them the face. Show them the face. Show them the. If this is a real thing. Look at that, it looks like a Minecraft fish, but weirder. Let's go over here, hold this down. I got a crab. I got a tiny little crab. Me too. It's very rosy. That's good. Go sell that right now. Go sell that. Go sell that. Go sell that. That's 1 in 92. Let's go in here because we have a better chance in here. We have a better chance in here. I've seen. No, I tried. Okay, I wish we could. Yeah, it could be a side quest. I got puffer fish. It's cute. It looks like Minecraft but angry. Show this spot. Look at show. It's cute, but it's really angry. Yeah, it's angry but cute. It's angry and cute. And I have to say to the camera, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. You guys, we have Chinese food. Comment down below what you guys are gonna eat for New Year. Wow. Yeah, guys, comment down below what you guys eat for New Year's, like Chinese food. Ooh, I just got a blue. 124. Yeah. But I'm doing 2 sped up so we can like go. You like it? Oh, good, that's a good shark. That's a good shark. The shark. How does a shark with a bit of loop smell? Lots of loops. Loopy block. Oh, look how big is this? Look how big is this? Ellie. Look, the big blue smell. That's great. That's right here, but let's, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. for you run. I need 50. No, I need 50,000 to get everything. I'm just gonna get some bait. I need some bait. I don't know. Dang it, I need a few more to get, I can get 6, 7 bait. Oh, damn! What is that? Look at it. Yeah, how much you get? How much do you get? You're more than me. I have 4.6k. That's crazy. So many lucky rock ride is bad. Oh, actually, let's go. Did I go? Come on. Did I get to do something? Yeah, we got it. We're going up there. Yeah. Where are we? Is that small? Okay. That's weird. That's small. I like this. I should have done this. I should have done this. Yeah. Nice one. Oh, really? I don't know. Go there. Is that? Yeah. I don't know. Wait, why do I have a lucky mark rod? Wait, let me check. That one's good. Oh, that's good. One sec. A bowling? Oh, bowling. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, let's keep fishing. We'll go here. Oh, yeah! Yeah, there's crab. I think it's called crab. Wow. Ow, what's up? Oh, that's nice, baby. Yeah, try baby. You're right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Try more. Oh, I'm trying to. Yeah, let's keep fishing. So we're like, yes. Okay, I think this is amazing. Boom, come on, here we go. Ew, I think that was big. Yeah, I'm here. What's here? What's here? Ew, let's go here. And then everyone. And then we can send it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, here, here. I hate the sunset. I'm gonna pick one of those. Wait, wait, I'm gonna get it. Yeah. I'm gonna go. Salad. Where is my pasta? That's one of those. I didn't know. What's the sunset here? I don't know. It's weird. What do you guys draw? That's unlimited. No, it's 600 something.